Using essential playback controls. Let's look at the source monitor playback controls. Double-click the shot not tilted, in the Theft Unexpected bin to open it in the source monitor. At the bottom of the source monitor, you'll find a blue playhead marker. Drag it along the bottom of the panel to view various parts of the clip. You can also click wherever you want the playhead to go and it will jump to that spot. Below the time ruler, at its playhead, there's a scroll bar that doubles as a zoom control. Drag one end of this scroll bar toward the other to zoom in on the time ruler. This will make it easier to navigate longer clips precisely. Click the Play-Stop toggle button to play the clip. Click it again to stop playback. You can also use the spacebar to start and stop playback. Click the Step Back 1 frame and Step Forward 1 frame buttons to move through the clip one frame at a time. You can also use the left arrow and right arrow keys on your keyboard. Try using the J, K, and L keys to play your clip. Try holding K while you press and release the J or L key. The playhead will move one frame and play the associated audio, making it useful when seeking a precise moment in dialogue.